Now, let's imagine that we really have thousands of enrollments in our application, and still it will take a long time to load the page and to load all the enrollments and group them by the date. So for our pages to load faster and for it not to seem that it's loading for ages, there is a kind of an eager loading solution for charts. So basically, we can have a link to the chart, and when the data is loaded as JSON, then the chart will be displayed. I'm going to show you how. So for example, we have a line chart, and instead of having the data like this, we're going to have a link to the data. So for example, we're going to have a link to, let's say, to users created by day. Now we are going to create one more controller. So it's going to be a charts controller .rb. We're going to inherit it also from the application controller. Now charts controller. And here we are going to define our charts like this. So for example, here we have completed tasks. We're going to have it as users per day. So we'll take users, group by day, created at count. Like this. So we'll have not task but user. And here we're going to have a line chart with a link. So it's going to be line chart. And we're going to have something like completed tasks, charts, path. But it's going to be not completed tasks, but users per day. So users per day, charts, path. Now let's see if it works. So it doesn't work because we have no such root. We'll have to create such a root. So we'll go to our roots. So to make it work, we're going to our roots and we're going to create a new root. Something like we're going to get charts/users per day, and we're going to redirect to the controller charts and action users per day. Now let's see if it works. It still gives us an error because there is no users per day charts path, but there will be a path as charts users per day. So we refresh and it's loaded. Now, the difference between these two methods is that the charts users per day path will be loaded only when this action is loaded as JSON. So this is going to be even faster for running our application. Now we will comment this and hide it from the home controller. So we are not getting all the users anymore. And it works. Now let's do the same for our enrollments. So we will create an action enrollments per day. We're going to take each enrollment and group them by day. So enrollment, group by day. In our roots, we are also going to add a new root for the enrollments. So charts, enrollments per day. Here also. And we're going to render a column chart with enrollments per day. So we're commenting this out, taking a column chart and making the charts enrollments per day path. So you see, it works just the same. Now we will hide our enrollments from our analytics. We don't need them here anymore. Now we are still calling a bar chart with the same enrollments. So we are not going to do it. We're going to also create a link for the bar chart. So we're going to, it's going to be called course popularity. So we are defining course popularity. Inside, we're going to render a JSON. Now, how we're doing it? So we are going to render enrollments, joins courses, count, like this. And here we're going to also declare the roots. So course popularity. And here we're going to have also a link. So it's going to be a bar chart. And it's going to link to charts course popularity path. Now we're going to comment the one we had with enrollments and see if it works. So it works. Basically, we're using this option of chart kick, and it's going to load much faster if we have a lot of records in our application. Now let's see if we've commented everything out in our home controller. It works. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. Thank you.